Hello YouTube, this is Cheska from CMU. Welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, we're going to continue where we left off in the last tutorial. Also, you remember in the last tutorial, we built Sphinx base, Pocketsphinx, and the CMU CLMTK libraries. And now we're going to be, in this tutorial, we're going to be testing these libraries. So you actually get to see how it works, and probably in the next tutorial I'm going to introduce you to other things that you can do. But in this tutorial I just want to make sure that everything is working in your computer. So I'm here at the CMU Sphinx website page, and we're going to be going into where it says building the language model, and you click enter, and in this page is a pretty good documentation. It shows you how to build the language model, and we're gonna be using, I mean, you can read all of this, but we're gonna that's why I made you download the CMU CLMTK, because I wanted to test it using these commands. But also, before we do that, let's build a simple language model using a web service. This is the easiest way to test before we go into the other more advanced stuff. So what you're going to do, you're going to create a text file called corpus text. And as you can see, I already have one here. And if we look inside there, we get to see what is inside, just like they did. I'm just following their directions, their instructions. And then I'm gonna go into this website right here, and I'm gonna say choose file. So I'm gonna choose this file, corpus text, and open. And as you can see, it uploaded it. And I'm gonna hit this key here that it says compile knowledge base. And now it's going to create a few files that we're going to use as we continue with this. It's taking a little bit longer here than normal. And it's creating, as you can also read uh, more into this. It's a very nice tool. It's a little bit dated, but it still works great. As you can see, sometimes you gotta go back and then go forward and then see if it did it, and there it goes. Okay, so this is the most important ones. Okay, and it's going to have a DIC, an LM, a log pronounce, scent, and vocab with a dictionary, so with a word list. So it's all gonna be in containing this tarball here, and as you can see, is that number. You got to remember that number because we're going to be using it. So now, as you can see, I already have it. I didn't want to. So you just download it, and it's going to be a tarball like this. It's going to be a tar GC, so just use gunzip first. So just go gunzip tar, and I already unpacked it, so mine is not. But just hit enter, and after you use gunzip, just use tar xbf and then tar, and then it unpacks it. And as you can see, these are the files. Mine is different because mine is a different tarball than the one I just created, so don't get confused. I just didn't want to go into my downloads file and all that. So I just bypass one step. So I'm just follow along. So now you have the this guy, this is the number is different, but the one that I had before is 80838, 0838 LM, and so on. So all you need to do, go back to the page here, and it shows you what to do. It shows you how to, don't do this yet. This is something else. If you want to go into binary. So we're going to use this command right here, because we're going to use Pocketsphinx. So we're going to go copy, and then wherever you are in your directory where that is, that's where you're gonna go. Okay, so make sure you're inside the directory For example, if we say 521, if, well, we got to change it because those are numbers for that particular example. In our case, it will be 038. In your case, it will be whatever number you have. So just go 0838. And let me explain to you what this command is doing. This command is using the Pocketsphinx that we downloaded when we built the libraries. It's the compact. It's the command continuous. It's telling it that you're going to be speaking into the microphone. It's the LM parameter, the LM flag, and later on we'll talk about that. And it's going to use the LM0838 with a dictionary, and the word list is in that file. Okay, so now we're ready to test it. So we go enter, and now it's ready for me to start speaking. So now I say I'm going to speak into the microphone. I can't speak because it tries to, so I'm gonna stop talking for a minute. Open browser. As you can see, it says open browser. No email. Forward. Backward. Open music player. Last window. Next window. No email. And as you can see, it works. And I'm going to stop it here. And in the other tutorials, in further future tutorials, we'll get more into it. And there's a lot of stuff that you can do with this. This is a very, very powerful library, and we'll explore it more in detail. But this is the end of this tutorial. If you like this tutorial, please click the like box and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on GitHub and Twitter, and I will see you next time. Thanks for watching.